to Breakfast with Sarah. Pancakes are a universal breakfast item which have been around since ancient times. Each country has their own version, and today we'll be cooking the American style version, which means the batter is thicker than other countries' pancakes and usually has baking powder. Today we'll be experimenting with a lemon poppy seed pancake with a strawberry topping. To start off, you want to take a package of strawberries and cut them up and sprinkle sugar on top, which I've already done. This creates a juice, so you want to let those strawberries set before you do the pancakes. Now, once you do the strawberries, what I like to do is zest lemons. For this recipe, you'll need to zest 4 lemons. This can be a tricky element, which I discovered while making these pancakes. Well, I've used just a regular cheese grater. And what you do is first you want to roll the lemon to get those juices flowing, which my friend Rachel Ray has taught me. And you just go ahead and drag that lemon along the cheese grater, and you let it fall into the bowl. You want to do that around the whole lemon, doing the whole outside of it. And once you hit a nice white layer, you want to go ahead and stop. So now that I've zested all 4 lemons, it's time to do the dry ingredients. So first you'll be taking 2 cups of unbleached flour, and you're going to go ahead and pour that into a nice big bowl. And then you're going to want to take a 1/3 cup of sugar, mix that in. You want a teaspoon of baking powder, which makes those American pancakes American. And then go ahead and take a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and pour that into the bowl. You're going to want to just stir that around a little bit. Get it all mixed in. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and take the wet ingredients. So you're going to do 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You're going to take the lemon zest of the 4 lemons. All that hard work in there. You want to go ahead and take 2 large eggs. So what I like to do is crack them in a separate bowl than what I'm going to be mixing them into, just in case you get any of those cracked eggshells. Which, in fact, I did get one in this egg, so it's a good thing I have that theory. And then you're going to go ahead and take the second egg and crack it in there. And you're going to go ahead and pour that in. And then you want to take 2 cups of buttermilk. The buttermilk is important for the batter because it makes it a little thicker. So you're going to go ahead and pour that in. Great. And then you're going to go ahead and just mix that all together. You want to beat those eggs up a little bit, like Rocky Balboa would do. And just stir that in. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add the wet ingredient bowl into the dry ingredient bowl. So you can see there's a nice little mix of the batter there. So go ahead and bring your bowls close together, pour it in, and just go ahead and stir that together. And it's okay if this batter is a little lumpy. In fact, you want a couple lumps in the pancake batter. It makes it nice and it'll make for a nice pancake. And for good luck, you just want to add a nice little pinch of salt in there. Just sprinkle a little in there. And for that final touch, you want to add a 1/3 cup of poppy seeds, which can be a little tricky to find in some grocery stores. And go ahead and pour that in and stir that together. Now that you've had the batter all mixed up, you want to go ahead and heat your pan over medium heat, and you want to go ahead and put a little butter in the pan. And you can hear that nice sizzle sound. That's always a welcoming sound for a pancake batter. Just let that butter just go smoothly into the pan there. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and take your batter. I like to measure with a 1/4 cup measuring cup, just so you get an even size for all of your pancakes. And you're just going to go ahead and pour that into the pan. A nice circle there. And you're just going to go ahead and let your pancake sit there. And once the pancake batter starts to bubble around the sides, that's when you know you get the go-ahead to go ahead and flip that pancake over. pancakes are done, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and take the strawberries that you cut up earlier, and you're going to take a couple spoonfuls of those, and go ahead and layer those on top of your pancakes, and enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead and take a bite of these right now, let you know how they taste. Oh, that's zesty. And if strawberries aren't your thing for pancakes, go ahead and try a nice raspberry syrup to go on top. And if you want to give your sweet tooth a vacation, you can make this into a savory poppy seed pancake with sun-dried tomatoes and herbs. And these are both great ideas from the creator of the original recipe, cookbook author Heidi Swanson. And if you're wondering what to do with those leftover lemons, go ahead and make some fresh lemon water. And so the next time you're in the mood for pancakes, go ahead and give this zesty recipe a try. Thanks!